Shar. Where's your nose?
Can you show us where your nose? Where's your nose?
Where's your eyes? Yeah. Where's your ears? What about your mouth? Where's your head? Where's your feet? Where's your elbow? Where's your knee? Those are your hips. Where's your knee? Those are your calves. Whoa. Can you carry both of them? Throw it. Throw the ball. Good job. Throw it to mommy. Throw it. Throw it. Good job. Can you kick it? Can you kick the ball? Oh, you're going to go rock. Good job. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you blow kisses? Remember? We gotta sit on our bottom. Okay. Let's sit on our bottom. There you go.